The once popular big data framework Hadoop is quickly running out of gas, and vendors in the space like MapR and Cloudera have been sputtering. If you do a quick Google Trends search, you'll see that people have been shunning the complexity of Hadoop for the power and simplicity of the cloud. By this point, only legacy compatibility or special requirements can keep you there and prevent you from moving to the cloud. Now, these may be bold statements you may not want to agree with if you're a big data on-prem systems leader, but according to Gartner research published last week, the cloud is now the default platform for data management. But even if you are ready to move to the cloud, re-architecting an entire ecosystem from Hadoop to the cloud is a daunting task with many moving parts. How would you even know which is the right cloud provider for your specific business needs? And even if you do get the tech stack right, it's not just about the technology, but also about the people. Management understanding, organizational alignment, and general organizational resistance are typically the culprits. If only people were as simple and flexible as the cloud. Change management is critical to success. And we want you to succeed in moving to the cloud, which is why I'm hosting a live webinar where I'm going to teach you best practices, tips, and tricks for moving and re-architecting an entire Hadoop data ecosystem to the cloud. You'll learn benefits of cloud migration, including addressing security concerns, best practices for migrating to the cloud, why a lift and shift is a bad idea, and how re-architecting for the cloud opens up new business opportunities involving machine learning and AI and helps future-proof your business. So RSVP now at the link below. It takes 2 seconds. And join me for my live webinar. Please reach out with any questions you might have on extracting value from your data and analytics by emailing me to remy@caserta.com. Thanks, and I'll see you at the webinar.